How to copy, paste, select all Windows keyboard shortcuts. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open any Word. To copy, simply select the text you want to copy and press on Ctrl+C on your keyboard, which will copy. Now, take your cursor wherever you want to paste. To paste, simply click on Ctrl+V, which will paste. Now, to select everything, click on Ctrl+A on your keyboard. After you press on Ctrl+A, you will select everything. From here, you can again click on Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. And this is how to copy, paste, select all Windows keyboard shortcuts. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.